I'll just give a brief snapshot of the operations and the business operations that we are doing here in the north. I'll just highlight some of the challenges that we face out here in the region. Okay, what was the structure before the new structure? We are into the 3 months now in the new structure. When I talk about structure, what was the structure before? We used to have an overall overseer regional manager reporting direct to the general manager.
Thank you for your presentation. There's only, whenever you want to improve something in the world, you have to change something. You can't keep doing what you've been doing in the past and expect the result to get better. That's what Albert Einstein said, the height of stupidity.
Licensing kita sa modified tagwalay sa kita ulit yung na kaunta to cater for
All customers come here and then they are served. Everybody served here.
Only to rental permits na katulong process.
Rental permits.
Rental, all the types of permits.
Rental car.
Rental, the hire, RRLs.
So now all the applications go to center.
What I've highlighted there is the centralization of PTU. But currently at the moment we are using the old business process map. We do it in the region and we send it.
Okay.
Uploading they having the separate timing.
Uploading they have their own time variations.
Uploading people are also part of
Also part of the inspection.
Your former rep was down here. Nice place, eh? Nice and green.
So that's the one, the small, that?
Yeah, that's the
How
small
many
office.
people can fit in there?
There's 4 of them.
Mate.
Because they always be out. They just go.
Thank you. Keep up the good work. Rise to the next level, eh? Despite all the challenges that you've been talking about. Thank you. Good. Good exercise. Good.